start off with moisturizing our skin using the Tomato Glass Skin. Next, we have the concealer. I'm using the AC Cosmetics in the shade YF1. Actually loving the music of Zara Larsson. It's on the background music, but I tried to put it up. Loving the makeup, so yeah. Let's proceed, and don't forget to moisturize your lips. And of course, let's blend our concealer with a dance move. And next up, we have our foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 120. Blend, blend, blend. Talagang dumadance pa siya dyan. Okay, next we have our blush. We are using liquid blush from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Always Charming. Super love ko tong blush na to, guys, and it's very blendable. Next up, we have the concealer again to conceal our eyebrows and our eyelid. Of course, magko-contour tayo. I'm using the She Glam in the shade Stone. Super love ko yan, guys, and of course, i-blend natin yan. Next naman is our loose powder from Get Ready With Me in the shade Lemonade to bake our under eye. And let it set for a while. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the eyeshadow palette from Careline, and this is my Makeup Inspo of Zara Larsson. So, medyo matagal tayo sa part na to, pero you'll see the blending series. Let's go. Nag-start ako with the yellow, pero nag-base muna ako ng white. Then, of course, yung violet, na dapat purple siya. Since wala akong purple, so ginawa ko na lang ng paraan just to blend it all and magaya ko yung inspo. Lagay din ako ng pink shade sa inner corner. So, yun kasing meron. And then, ayan. Diba? Blend, blend, blend lang. And wag kakalimutan ng under eye. Okay, next up we have the eyebrows. So, I'm using the YOU in the shade dark brown. Since manipis yung kilay ni Zara Larsson, I'm trying my best na panipisin yung kilay ko dahil hindi na ako sanay actually. Kasi nasanay na ako sa bushy brows. So, yun. Let's see. Lang ulit ako since white kasi yung sa under eye. So, kailangan mabake ko talaga siya. And I'm using the loose powder. And para mag-define yung brows natin, I'm using the brow liner from Bia. Super love ko to, guys. And eyeliner from JMCY Cosmetics. Another eyeliner from Vice Cosmetics. Next, sempre powder contour tayo. And mascara from Maybelline Sky High. And then mag-set tayo ng powder using the 1020 All Control Powder. Next off, we have the cluster lashes from Corima. Sobrang love ko din to, guys. For events, ayan yung ginagamit ko. Lagay ulit tayo ng mascara from YSL. And brow lift from Get Ready With Me. And next, lip liner tayo. It's of Kiko Milano for our lips. Sobrang ganda niyan. Ito na nga, guys, na-test ang pagiging creative ko. And then, ginamit ko yung aking stockings na may beads. Para may beads ako sa eyes. And this is the final look. Divine, ang ganda naman yung babae na yan. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like it, guys.